In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size in Carrd. If you're looking to make your Carrd website visually appealing and easy to read, adjusting the text size can be a simple yet effective step to achieving this. Whether you're aiming to draw more focus to key information or ensuring readability across different devices, resizing text can help you tailor your website's appearance to your liking. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Carrd website. Once there, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to get started. Once you're logged in, select the project you want to work on by clicking on it. This will open up your Carrd editor, where you can see all the elements available for you to customize. When you have your project open, identify the specific text element you wish to modify. Click directly on this text element. This action will highlight the text and bring up the editing options. Selecting the text you want to change ensures that the adjustments you make will apply to the correct element and not alter other parts of your design unintentionally. Now, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left or right of your screen. You'll notice an icon that resembles a paintbrush. Click on it. This icon represents the Style Editor, where you can access a variety of styling tools. The paintbrush icon is crucial for transforming the aesthetic of your text, allowing you to adjust size, color, and other style elements. Once inside the Style Editing panel, look for the option to change the text size. You should see a slider bar or a numerical input field specifically for font size adjustments. By moving the slider to the right, you can increase the text size, making it more prominent. Conversely, sliding to the left will reduce the size if the text needs to be more subtle or blend with the rest of your design. After adjusting the text size to your desired look, it is important to apply and save these changes. Locate the Done button, usually found in the corner of the styling editor, and click it. This action saves your modifications and returns you to the main editor view. It's always a good idea to preview your changes on different devices, just to ensure that your adjustments look good on both desktop and mobile views. And there you have it. You've just learned how to change text size in Carrd in just a few straightforward steps. This process enhances your site's readability and visual appeal, making it both eye-catching and functional. Remember, the key to a well-designed website often lies in its simplicity and clarity. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for your web design journey.